Hey Tabafethu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to Amafans TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Benin 0, Bafana 2. I'm joined by Uzweli Abdul.
Thank you, brother.
Brother.
How's it, brother?
Can you please tell them to subscribe, brother?
There at home, while you're sitting watching, please subscribe. Click the subscribe button and like it. We're only supporting Amafans trying to fix our South African football. That's it, brothers. Yeah, please, man, subscribe and like and comment. We thank you for the support.
Exactly.
Currently. Thank you very much. Yeah, enough about that.
No more, yeah.
The game for me was a bit obvious.
Sure.
Yeah, ukuthi isquad bekumele nje siyingcwabe kusase early.
Yeah.
First half they should have scored more goals.
Sure.
And yeah, we played with a lot of chances. Yabona le chance la Pesita ukhona phasa uFoster.
Sure.
Foster waphuma nalo wabhekisa emaceleni.
Sure.
And then there was that chance yakaMutawu ayitholile angazi ukhabe phansi or ukhathele ifatigue.
Yeah.
Yabona so we needed depth. Yeah, so yeah. Amaline wabo abahlale bawasebenzisa ukuthi asina depth.
Yes.
Mara lapho udlale ngethuba uMtawu. I felt like you could have crossed that ball la ngena ngaphakathi bathatha ama chance abafana yabona.
Definitely.
Yeah, so babonile ama mistakes wabo abawenzile because they played with a lot of opportunities ukuthi they could have buried the game mhlambe boma 4-6 yabona. Yeah, so second half babonile ukuthi okay, this is our chance, and that goal yaka Foster it opened up the game ukuthi okay manje sesingakwazi ukuthi sivele sidlale yabona. Yeah, so na iBenin beyizama ukuthi ifike yabona, but ayikwazanga ukuthi icreate ama chance ngoba uRowan Williams ngimboneka yi1 egamini yabona, ngale ya save le 1. So congratulations to the boys, they played really well and they are showing ukuthi they are improving, and we are still doing very well without Kaizer Chiefs. We are doing very well.
Before yalapho, let's give credit to the coach ukuthi siye ku half time not masibuya kungena ama goal. It shows ukuthi there's something ayibonile ku first half, and then mafika wakhuluma namajita wafika. Abashaya.
Exactly. So we are doing very well without Chiefs. You must not feel offended, Kaizer Chiefs fans. Please, even if you can say whatever you want to say, but you must not feel offended. Kaizer Chiefs is not doing very well at this point in time. So you must not blame Hugo Bros for not selecting Kaizer Chiefs players. Hugo Bros is just doing what is right for the country. We are doing very well without you. So don't feel that you are important. Stay on marketing. Marketana mazimba nithengise ikipa nenzeni lezo zinto enizenzayo, nenzeni ama album killer nembi nicule yabona Marawai, maintain that thing. It's not a crime, something out of nothing. If a team is not doing well, it's not doing well. There was a season where Pirates players were not there in the they were not called to play there before Jose Rivero. So we were not complaining, but Pirates is not there, wara. But now since the national team is doing well, please siyacela ningafili ngathi kancane kwamanje okwamanje siyekeni ngoba there are 16 teams in the PSL. Not everyone will be selected. So ne SuperSport ingafika complain ukuthi abakhethanga thina. Why? Because we've got players that are brilliant. Ifike nesikhukhune sifike esikhali. So Chiefs, you are not special.
Chiefs is not special.
It's not special, in fact. They might be the biggest team to have more supporters,
Sure.
but they are not special out of the 16 teams.
Ngiyakuthola.
Yeah, the national team is all about performance.
Exactly.
Ngiyangithola. And to correct this thing, uThabo Cele is a brilliant player. Ngiyangithola. He plays good football.
Yes.
But ufike nini? Uyayibona lento leyo. So ezinye izinto we need to look at those things ukuthi i-coach my selector, he wants to win, the mandate is to win. Masiyasodlala lapha sidlalela ukuqualify. Yabona, so asithatha ama chance akusilotho le. We are not gambling there. Yabona. So we are not
The other thing the other thing Pirates right now is the best team in the country. Yabo. But how many players are we Pirates ku squad? Sundowns is Sundowns is asenama players are we complaining? No. As long kuza I result.
Sure.
Because into esifunayo yini ye result. Sifuna qualifier for FIFA World Cup, sifuna ukuya na AFCON. That's the most important thing. Ukuthi ubani odlalayo ubani okhethiwe ongakhethwanga, let's not go there.
Ngiyakuthola.
Yeah, please.
Kuzana ukhila bafethu.
Yeah, let's refrain from saying bad things to our coaches.
Sure.
I still maintain ukuthi lento yokuthuka abo coach mhlambe yabona lento ngishilo ngathi ba traumatized laba be Chiefs. Basalimele. Lento yokudliwa kwabo ama loose draw.
Yes.
Yabona lento yokuba ama loose draw.
PTSD.
Yeah, sebaphenduke enye into esingayazi yayibona lento le. So please not all Chiefs fans are like that yabona, but kunalama Chiefs fans lawa angafuni ukuba elayinini yabona, accept ukuthi akulungi yabona, noma bathi bayazama benzani, washo uZweli wathi abahambe bayobhadala inyanga yabo
Vele yakolodwa
le nto leyana yabo awubachazele
iyakolodwa
khona into abayikolodayo
izwili yaptu.
No, beside ukoloda inyanga mina ngasho ukuthi ubaba uMtawung uDr Mtawung akatshele abafana bakhe ukuthi yena lesikhatha senza kahle ubenze njani. Abatshela abachazele ukuthi thina inyoka la ekhaya ibedla ilento ibedla steak manje bona bafuna kudlisa ama cornflakes. Yabo manje angeke kulunge kushuthi mele abachazele kahle.
Explain
properly ukuthi yabo njengoba kunje since ngibeke nina bafana anisafidi kahle inyoka yala ekhaya.
Amanzani wakhuluma ngathi usho. Are you sure about this? Ansapiti.
Bayazi. Okay.
I know.
Asikho kuleyo ndaba.
Noma ngathi niyazi siraza.
Asikho lapho yabona.
Okay, sure.
Kila awusitsheli lokho I-coach yethu lemele siyi-protect.
One time.
Awusitsheli lokho. Please let's not disrespect and discriminate our coach. Sure. Let's respect umsebenzi ka-coach. Anithuka uNabi, nithuka uHugo Bros. Yabona, that's the conflicting part ukuthi nilimele yabona. Bekumele ngabe kuthuka uNabi. uNabi akawini akayenzi, bayaphuma manje baya kule ezansi bayolwela i-relegation manje. So babukela ngama-camchair laphana sekuseduze. So thatha i-Nike Center ingcono ngoba kune-pitch lapha kaNsinsi ezone 4 mabaze eNsinsi. So siyacela please, let's respect our coaches. Hugo Bros has done nothing wrong ngokuselecta ama player aperformayo, and nakhona yabona angeke aza drop umfukeng athi uyo selector lapha ku Chiefs uzothatha bani.
Fundo Vilakazi.
Awume kancane mfethu. Awume kancane. Abame kancane. Uyabona ke nayo okuswala ngapha uyabona kabile. Wena ufuna induku yakubona le out izokwenzela into engakazi.
Thina ezabo Zweli sifuna ukuthi ukuxolisela ukuthi ku coach wethu wesquad sifuna ukuxolisela ukhila umngani wethu esihlala naye, samxolisela ukuthi sorry ukuthi akhiphe inhlamba amthuke. We are sorry coach, he made a mistake.
Akekho right.
Yeah, akekho right.
Thina sizomkhansela, hayi angawa.
He is
Dala
mentally
simtshele.
not disturbed because of Chiefs' performance.
Yeah.
That's why you're not selecting the players from Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
We are saying sorry, coach.
Yeah, please, on his behalf, yabona. Yeah, please don't take him serious next time, yabona. Yeah, no. Sizomnika igama ye Pirates ukuthi agqoke abe calm, more calm, yabona. Because ngibatshelile, yeah?
Do you want to take that?
Ayizosihlukumeza kodwa yazini singambeka le emuva simfihle yabona ngoba uyahlupha manje
Behind the post.
yeah uzohlangana nobabjwaga emahlanyeni but anyway a very good performance by Apollos.
Yeah.
I advocate ukuthi Pirates ngicela ingapolisi amaseko ivele ithathe lo mfana Apollos.
Yeah, definitely.
I know other teams cannot afford Apollos.
Yes.
But the Iron Duke, as I speak on behalf of a Pirates supporter, that boy is brilliant.
Yeah.
Look at a man of the match
Sure.
performance. Yeah. That cross in Jaini Jaden Adams. Quality. Yabona. He always shows ukuthi makengena lapha he's improving. Ngithola. And nakupulukwane uyabonisa. Kodwa laba abanye base next door abomakhelwane bahlule keep it 10 meter. Bafuna uPasadini bathe 25. Angazi bazoyenza kanjani. Bayegazata kanjani 25. Yeah, so it is bayeke labo ngoba bazogcina basihlasela. But Safa sicela ukunikhuza futhi.
Khuza.
Umama Joy nalabo abanye bahamba kanjani bangathinda amagame. Siyacela please man. It's a serious concern yabona.
Sure.
Yeah, ukuthi siyacela ukuthi asinamona.
Yeah.
Yeah, kodwa
But selection.
i-selection le abayenza icriteria abasitshele yona.
Yeah.
Basiphe nememo nerubric ukuthi bakhetha kanjani ukuthi khamba bani kusala bani uyayibona lento le.
Supply.
Yeah, we need true supporters, true loyal fans.
Sure.
Yeah, sebayibrand asali kodwa sithi ngicela bakwazi ukuthi babheke futhi la. Ama fans wethu is growing. We've got serious fans here.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngithola. Yeah, ngisadvocate mina but we've got serious people who can represent. Uyayibona lento le. We've got Abdul here. Yeah. We've got Zweli here. Yeah, ngithola. We've got the PhD brother Mutau here.
Sure.
So why are we not taken serious? Yeah, but so we need to be taken serious. We are not here to nurse feelings. If you've got impulsive things, deal with it. But here we are not here to nurse feelings. We are here to tell the truth and shame the devil. Yeah, as it is. Yeah, it's long overdue.
Yeah.
So Umama Joy is now the face of whatever, but angiboni mina deserve ukuthi ngabe uhambile. Bengimele khethwa abanye abantu bahambe who are worth deserving, who are attending games. Simbona kanye ngakuma Joy Stadium. Usupporta yiphi team okwamanje ngoba iRoyal AM ithengisiwe. Iyathengiswa manje ku-auction ukuphi? Yayibona lento le. So ezinye izinto let's be realistic ukuthi let's isafa please take us serious. Ngithola ukuthi let's choose people based on what they do. We need results. Abasibonisa icriteria ke ukuthi okay so uyangoba bakuthandile bona or uyangoba vele uyisupporter. Yeah, to be a supporter phela it means that you cough out of your pocket. Uyahamba now wenza izinto and you must be seen on these matches, not only on one match.
Okay, let's rather put it this way. Sicela ku-rotate.
Yeah.
It's not akusinkinga ukuthi baye lapha. Akusinkinga ukuthi baye lapha they are representing the country, but all we're asking for is to rotate.
Yeah, please.
Abasifaka.
Yeah, and lastly, before we siyazi ukuthi ayivele mele sisuke la ngithola. I'll still say let's respect our South African coaches.
Sure.
South Africans, let's respect our own coaches because they are doing a sterling job. Tukutuku Makanya is doing a sterling job. Yangithola abo Atazwane, they are doing a sterling job. So let's love and respect our coaches. Abo Mandla Ncekazi, even on the assistant, Yangithola, they are doing a sterling job. So let's respect them and love them and continue to support them so that we have a new breed. Yoguti, when the national team has been called, we have our own coaches, not foreign coaches. We need that. Even our squad can benefit from having their own coach. So, man of the match, azininzima namhlanje. Ngikayo Pasadini. Quality. Pagania, I hope in Peggy the Bafetch.
Yeah.
Yeah, Masakent, Kamere.
Break the bank.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miniaz.